Hey, it's Lourdes Alden. I'll be doing a makeup tutorial inspired by Cat Hernandez, and let's get to it. Priming my eyes with e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer. For a bold base, I'll be using LA Girl Pro Coverage Concealer in Flat White. For my eyeshadow palette, I'll be using Cara Beauty Mind Trap Palette. On my crease, I'll be using Good Always. Using Rise and Grind as a transition shade to blend up to my brow bone. Stay Fresh will be all over my eyelid, stopping at my crease, creating a full cut crease. Mixing Let's Get Lost Altered Mind and ColourPop Wisp on the inner corner of the eye. To prep for glitter, I use the BH Cosmetics Space Booster Glitter Adhesive. For that glittery New Year's look, I used the J-Cat Beauty Sparkling Powder in Jungle Sapphire. On my upper lash line, I used the shade Endless Night as my eyeliner, and to prep for false lashes. For false lashes, I'll be using Duo Lash Glue and Article Lashes in Wispies. On my lower lash line, I'll be using Gabby C Beauty Retro Liner in Disco Fever. Priming my face with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Covering my imperfection with LA Pro Coverage Concealer in Natural. Contouring my face with LA Pro Coverage Concealer in Espresso. Setting my face with Wet n Wild Photo Focus Loose Setting Powder in Translucent. ColourPop Super Shock Highlighter in Wispies Highlighter. ColourPop Blushing Kiss and Tell as Blush. Lano Lip Treatment to moisturize lips. Lining my lips with ColourPop Lippy Pencil in Love Bug. To complete the lip combo, I use the ColourPop Lippy Sticks in Brink. Glad that you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I will see you in my video. Bye.